You shouldn't ever have to adjust the level on the machine, but if you want to check it, it's very easy to do and very easy to adjust. We're going to go to Diagnostics, hit Enter. Diagnostics shows you every sensor in the machine. We're going to go ahead and then take a flat board. We've measured both sides of this to be sure the thickness is the same, as wide as we can get it. Go ahead and load that into the machine. Crank down onto it, doesn't matter what pressure. We're then going to go ahead and move our Z-truck such that it touches on the near side. And note the dimension. So here we're 1.766 inches, and we'll go to the other side. We're about 6 thousandths off across the machine. Now, if you want to adjust that, you can just take the machine, slide it so it's leaning off the edge. There is a Phillips head, which holds this bottom plate in. We're going to remove that Phillips head, and then we will adjust or loosen the tie rod. Using a 7mm just go ahead and loosen that up. This allows the tie rod to drop down. When we turn the handle, it only adjusts the near side, not the far side. We can then take a look at our head and adjust it. Going back and forth, side to side, till we get the same number. At that point, all we have to do is tighten that nut back up so that the tie rod is engaged between the two. You want that nut snug, but there should be a little bit of play in the tie rod. Put the Phillips head screw back in, and you're done.